Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll be unboxing the Xbox Series X. The Xbox Series X packs a tremendous amount of gaming horsepower, rocking a 3.8 GHz AMD Zen 2 based processor, a 12 teraflop AMD RDNA 2 GPU, 16 gigabytes of memory, and a 1 terabyte SSD card for storage. With all of that muscle, the Xbox Series X can output video in up to 8K resolution at 120 frames per second. It supports a deep catalog of older Xbox games, which makes the backwards compatibility feature impressive, and quick resume is also nice, letting you jump between games without really missing a beat. With all of that said, let's take a look at what's in the box when you first open your Xbox Series X. The first thing you'll be greeted with is a card that shows you how to pair the Xbox Series X controller to the console on one side and an overview of the ports and instructions for how to get started with the Xbox app for iPhone and Android on the other. Next, you'll want to remove the black box. Removing the contents from this, you'll find a power cable. As with previous models, you won't find a bigger power brick, as that's built into the console. You'll also find an HDMI 2.1 cable. It's going to be important to use this or another HDMI 2.1 cable with your console, as HDMI 2.1 won't have any problem outputting either 4K video at 120 frames per second or 8K video at 60 frames per second. Additionally, HDMI 2.1 includes support for dynamic high dynamic range, enhanced audio return channel, auto low latency mode, and variable refresh rate, among other things. Again, if you want to make sure you're getting the most out of your Xbox Series X, you'll want to make sure you're using an HDMI 2.1 cable. Next, there's the controller, which is incredibly similar to the Xbox One controller, but there are some changes. There's some texturing on the handles and the triggers. The D-pad got a makeover and now more closely resembles the D-pad on the Elite controller. The charging port is now USB-C and not micro USB, and the expansion port for attaching accessories and the 3.5mm audio port are still located on the bottom. The biggest change is the inclusion of a share button, which lets you easily share screenshots and video with other people. You'll also get two AA batteries for the controller. If you want a rechargeable battery pack, you'll have to pick that up separately. And finally, you'll have the console itself. Note that there is a clear top and bottom. The bottom has a small circular pad, while the top features a concave shape with a grid. It's important to note that the console pulls air in through the bottom and pushes it out through the top. On the front, you'll find the slot for the Blu-ray drive, a USB port, and a power button. On the back of the device is where you'll see a slot for a Kensington lock, two USB ports, an Ethernet port, the power port, the HDMI port, and a slot for expandable storage. So that's what you get out of the box with the Xbox Series X. Let me know what you think of the console if you've got one, or let me know what you are most excited about if you're still waiting on yours. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my website to see more great tutorials like this one.